Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Apps Academy. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your clothes on a picture using Picsart. Picsart has introduced an intuitive way to change the clothes that you're wearing in your photos. First of all, launch the Picsart app open and then tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and click on Edit an image or video. Now you can go ahead and select a picture from your device's camera roll that you want to edit. After selecting a picture, click on Done at the top right. Choose a picture and get to this editing page. Now once you see the picture on the preview screen, go to the bottom options and swipe through the options and click on AI Try On. You'll then be able to see different dress types at the bottom menu. Choose the dress you want to try on. After selecting the dress, wait for a couple of minutes and you will be able to change the clothes that you're wearing on the photo. You can try the dress for a couple of times, but if you want to try out more, you will need to subscribe to Picsart Pro. That way you can easily try on and change clothes in Picsart using the AI Try On feature. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.